Raja, Department of IAC, SJBIT. Today I'll be explaining Web Technology Lab and its application.
Good morning, all. The next program of your web technology and mini project is your fifth program that is coming to your student registration forms. Very important and very easiest program. It has been already done and it has been already done in your all the labs you have done with your previous semester. The same concept, just you have to store, you have to take the value and you have to just store the value. Okay, let's discuss or let's see, check out check out the task of the program. Design an XML document to store the information about a student in an engineering college affiliated to VTU. The information must include USN, name and the name of the college, branch, year of joining, and email ID. Make up sample data for 3 students. Create an CSS style sheets and use it to display the document. Okay. Before explaining this, what is an XML document? What is an XML document? How it can be viewed? XML document is a basic unit of XML information composed of elements and other markup in an ordinary package. An XML document that contains wide varieties of data. For example, database of a numbers representing mathematical equations. Okay. See here, this is a special type of program, that is a version, XML version you have to give. Just give the version, that is your that you have to give the version of an XML, and just you have to store the information directly to the XML documents. So example, check the code, then you can understand. Check the code, check the code. See here. Check the code. First, I'm started with XML style sheet. Type is equal to text or CSS. href I've given. Yes, href. It has been given to dot CSS. H reference. P5 dot CSS is nothing but your external style sheet. It has been written and stored in another file where I'm just taking that file sheet, that is your style sheets, and taking to my program where the style sheet is been written in an outside the code, that is inline. We have 3 types of style sheet to be written: inline, external, and internal style sheets. So the task which I'm performing for this fifth program is external style sheets. Are you getting? Okay, done. Student descriptions, name. Okay, i'm just calling I'm just calling a student and a student, that is one set of record. It has been stored in an XML document. Another set of records of name called Shashank M of one student record, name of Shama KT of second student record, and Parikshit of your that is your third student record. It has been stored, and it has been stored and it has been recorded. Understand? It has been recorded and it has been stored in an XML document. How to use this? How to use this XML document? 2 data could be written, that is XML declaration, document type declaration. XML document, that is XML declaration, is nothing but where have declaring the value called XML style sheet. If I give the value, if I tell the browser, if I'm starting with XML and particular data is being predefined and this is being pre-called, and the value is being stored. Understand? The value is being stored and it has been recorded directly with a value called student. Store the value, get the input, store the value, just display the output, and any value or any type of style sheet you can just call by using your p5.css. You can just design by your own. Are you all getting? This is an easiest program where they have told us to create a style sheet, and create XML document, create a style sheets. One, or the 3 tasks they have told us to do in the fifth program. One is you have to create an XML document. Yes, we have created. And you have to create an CSS tag. Where should be of external? Yes, we have done with an external style sheets. And you have to encrop 3 data, minimum of 3 data of students should be done. What are the data? Name, USN, college, branch, year, email. Okay, what is the style sheet? What is the XML document we have called? That is student, close with student tag. Okay, this is a own used tags can be used in XML documents. Okay, are you all getting? Thank you all. This is your 5th program. Thank you.